Amazon favorites for your car. We've all been there. You have a bottle that's too big for a standard cup holder. Well, that's where this little device comes in. It fits into any size cup holder and even expands so it stays nice and snug. It's awesome.
Amazon home gadgets you didn't know you needed.
I have gotten so many messages about this. This laser star projector shines mesmerizing stars and blue nebula clouds onto your ceiling and walls. They use holographic technologies to create this crazy visual with different control options that you can cycle through. Choose between having both stars and clouds, only stars, or my favorite, only clouds. They rotate on your ceiling as well, but of course you can adjust that to your preference.
Amazon products you just might need.
Part 98.
You be the judge.
Working on your knees can be a pain. This kneeler and seat is super for gardening with tool pouches included. Flip it over and it makes a great seat. Extra thick cushioning saves your knees and your booty. I'm thinking gardening, fishing, camping, watching your kids' sports, maybe working in the garage. It folds for easy transport and storage. Leave a comment with some more ideas on how to use this and then tag a friend and save some.
These are our Final Wipe kits, which are designed to help you clean while also helping take care of the environment. We love this travel kit, which is perfect to use whenever you're on the go. Just fill the sprayer with warm water, insert the cleaning tablet, and reusable cloths. The travel kit also comes with different compartments to store the clean and dirty towels, which we find to be super convenient. Final also has a home kit, which comes with a hidden compartment to store dissolvable cleaning tablets. With this kit, you can fit up to 10 of the included cloths as well. They work great, and when you're done, just throw them in the wash to use again.
Amazon favorites episode 128. These are the most adorable little frames for your instant photos. They come with a clear block and then a black backing, and look at how cute they are. I love them, my favorite.
Made me buy it. This is a kitchen hanging garbage can. It can be hung on the cabinet door. The garbage generated on the countertop can be swept directly into the garbage can. It's a very practical kitchen gadget.
I share a ton of stuff with you guys, but here are a couple of things that TikTok made me buy. Both of these came recommended by Dr. Karen Jobert. The first one is an adjustable 3-layer pillow. It's essentially 3 pillows in one, so you can adjust it to your own personal comfort level. The top reviews on it speak for themselves, and after a few weeks I can attest to those reviews myself. The second one is this Comfy Life pillow. If you're a side sleeper like me, the pillow goes right in between the thighs, allowing for proper alignment of the knees so they don't fall below your hip.
Amazon products you just might need.
Part 99.
This water bottle carrier and phone case is a great way to carry your drink on a walk or hike. It has a Velcro slip pocket to hold your ID, money, and keys, and a snap pocket for your phone. The bottle holder is made of stretchable fabric and insulating neoprene to help keep your bottle cold for up to 4 hours. The adjustable strap allows you to throw it over your shoulder or wear it crossbody. Now you be the judge and give us your opinion.
Random Amazon products you might need.
If you're a serial phone dropper like me, you gotta check out this anti-phone dropping tether system. Goes in your phone case. You can take it out at any point, clip it in, and you're ready to go. You can wear it like a bracelet, or it can clip into your belt buckles, which is great not only for drops, but also stopping people from trying to steal your phone.
Alright you guys, I feel like everybody needs this as a staple in their laundry room. It is a spray that gets pretty much any stain out of clothes even after they've gone through the dryer. It can remove oil stains, grass, makeup, food stains. I had this sweatshirt that had a crayon mark down the middle.
Welcome back to Trying Every Self Tanner to find the best one. This is part 2 with Bondi Sand. Australian brand, we already know it's going to be good. So you already know I'm using the mitt and I'm just going to apply it all over and my face. It smells really good and applies very nicely. So far we're loving it. And look at that color. I was just really pasty, so I needed this so bad. And we're just going to go to bed and then shower in the morning. And guys, it looks so good. Like, it's honestly so natural. Like, I was just sitting out on these Australian beaches and got like bronzed. It's so pretty. Okay, bye.
Life hacks. This is an all-in-one hair styling tool. It has a built-in brush to comb through your hair as you style it. It can be used to curl your hair, make volume, or even straighten.
This is the best gadget for cleaning your boots. You just fill it up with water and soap, and then squeeze it and scrub it on your boots and it'll clean off the dirt. It makes it so much quicker and leaves them really clean. It also has another side to scrape off the tough dirt on the bottom. If you haven't heard of the Boot Buddy, I don't know where you've been.
Welcome back to Clean Talk. This blind cleaner comes with 5 micro sleeves and is under $10. It makes dusting your blinds fast and easy. This electronic cleaning brush has 2 sides. The side with soft bristles gently sweeps away dust, and the silicone side grabs dirt from small, hard-to-reach places on your electronics. This brush is ideal for cameras, screens, phones, and keyboards. Link in bio to shop all products. This isn't just any tablet case. This tablet case comes with a detachable keyboard that connects via Bluetooth to your tablet. The keyboard magnetically attaches to the case so it's not moving around when you type. This case protects your tablet, has a built-in pencil slot, and allows you to create a cute workspace from anywhere. It also comes with a few different colors. Link in bio to shop this exact product.
Amazon products you need or don't. This is part 247 of 365. If you often peel potatoes for your family, this kitchen gadget could be a game changer. Drive the potato into the bottom holder, adjust the top, and let the gadget efficiently go to work. You now have a potato that's almost perfectly peeled, with the skin being intact for easy disposal. Use the thumb knife to remove blemishes, peel the skin at the ends, and move on to the next potato. In case you're wondering, yes, it also works great for all sorts of fruits and veggies such as mangoes, for apples if you want to get rid of the pesticide and wax on the skin, and it's great for zucchini pasta as well. So what do you think? Is this a useful find or not?
Amazon find. For all of my friends on here that like to relax and be pampered, this is a must-have. This foot massager has it all. It has the option for a foot warmer, it has airbag compressions, and then it has little balls on the bottom to knead your feet. It has an automatic shut-off option, and you can change the pressure on your feet. I use this thing every night. It is worth the money. I linked it in my bio.
This is a motion sensor wireless phone charger for your car. The clamps open when you hold your phone in front of it. Once they close, your phone's really secure and it's definitely not coming out, as you can see here. Then just tap the back to release. Anyone who drives needs it.
This cord storage solution is one of my all-time favorites. This box is actually made to hold 4x6 photos, but works really well to separate your cords and small electronics. I store anything from SD cards to charging bricks to headphones in here. And as always, I made the labels on my vinyl cutting machine.
Limited edition products you need to try. Today I'm filming my first reaction to the brand new cauliflower Peeps. Green Giant Veggies and Peeps Marshmallows teamed up to make the oddest treat for Easter this year. At first, I was nervous to try because I'm so picky, but they actually ended up being weirdly delicious. Turns out the cauliflower is an April Fool's joke.
Amazon favorites for your car. If you eat in your car, you need these two items. You can find them both linked in my bio.
Here are two gadgets for your car. This touchless hand sanitizer dispenser, and of course, this sauce holder. Tell me your favorite Chick-fil-A sauce in the comments below.
These are the most unique headphones we've ever seen by Time Kettle. You can use them just like any other earbuds, but they can also be used to translate to and from dozens of different languages. Choose one of the multiple different modes, as well as the translation languages for either one or both earbuds. It will then translate right into your ears.
Hello, how are you doing today?
Shalom, מה שלומך היום?
What time is it now?
Amazon gadgets I love. This gadget is actually a mini handheld vacuum. It's great for cleaning up small messes around your house when you don't want to take out your regular vacuum. It's super lightweight and sleek, wireless and portable. And when you're done using it, you can stand it up or hang.
This electric can opener opens cans for you with the push of a button. Simply put the can opener on top of your can and press the button to start. No need to struggle getting the top off your can at the end because the can opener does that for you. It also doesn't create any jagged edges. This foldable cutting board ensures easy transfer of food around your kitchen for less mess to clean up. It comes in 3 sizes, mini, small, and large, with the largest size under $20. Link in bio to shop both these products.
Amazon at-home workout gadgets you didn't know you needed. This kettlebell is like no other. It has adjustable and removable weight plates to suit your workout preferences. This kettlebell can conveniently be adjusted from 5 to 8, 9, or 12 pounds by pressing on the tabs and twisting off the weight plates. I love this because it takes up less space than a full kettlebell set, and it has a comfortable hand.
Chom Chom versus the cat tree. My favorite place to use it. So it's completely empty right now. I forgot to show you, and it's too late because you won't believe me. If I start over, and I already started vacuuming,